Hey guys, we're going to be doing another unboxing here of a Seiko watch, SSC933 Prospex Speedtimer, green dial variation. Such a beautiful watch here. If you've seen the white dial variation, you can probably tell immediately that the hands are a little different. These ones are pure white, they're no longer fauxtina. Setting this aside, looking at the rest of the watch box here, we have your manual for the movement, which is a V192 solar chronograph, and also your warranty card. Let's put that back together. And taking a look at more features of the watch. On the front, you've got a sapphire crystal here, anti-reflective coating on the inside to ensure legibility. And you got your 3 subdials here. You got your running seconds, you got your chronograph timer, and a 24-hour display. On the top, you got your pusher to start your chronograph, and on the bottom to stop and reset it. So let's just start it off real quick here. It goes in 1/5 increments, 1/5 of a second, and then we stop it with the top one, and then press the bottom one to reset it, and it goes all the way around. Beautiful. Looking at more features of the watch, you got a screw down case back to ensure waterproofness, and a 3-link bracelet here. Nice deployment clasp, 2 buttons on the bottom, laser engraved Seiko. Beautiful. And on the wrist, I have a 6.5-inch wrist, so let's see how it looks. I love how it's just not so tall, and I feel like it could fit with almost any outfit here. Beautiful. Thank you for joining us and watching our unboxing of this Seiko Chronograph SSC933.